Hi, I'm Richard Van Dyke with the Marsh Robert Group, and I personally want to invite you to join us as we discuss some very important matters in regards to personal finances. Just a couple of the issues we're going to be covering. How about your personal credit? Well, we all know it's important in regards to our purchasing power, but did you know that your insurance rates are based on your credit rating now? How about that dream job? Go to the interview, everything seemed okay, but you didn't get the job, and you find out down the road that it's because there was some information in regards to your credit rating. It might not even be correct information. It might just be on your credit report, and you had no idea. Remember too, your current employer periodically is viewing your credit rating to see if you're going to fit to what they're doing, or if you're still going to be a team player with them. Sad to say, they're basing a lot on your credit rating. So we have to make sure our credit rating is in good shape. So we're going to teach you that. We're going to talk about the score model, how it works, how you could raise your score, how you could deal with issues when you have come up incorrect information, how credit cards affect. The way you use your credit card can affect your score. We're going to tell you how to get that free credit report. Believe it, there is a free 100% credit report, no strings attached, waiting for you out there, because you've got to start monitoring your credit. So we're going to go through those steps. So it's important that you join us and get involved. How about the way you purchase or refinance a home? Another big issue. Big part of this meltdown we're dealing with in regards to real estate is based on the fact that a lot of people were put into the wrong type of loans. Okay, they were put into the loan package the lender had, not the loan package that was really perfect for the borrower. And in regards to scores too, we want to maximize your scores before you even think about purchasing a home. The fact is, 8 out of 10 people are unsatisfied. They feel it was a bad experience, and so we want to make sure it's a good experience with you, and we're going to give you some tricks of the trade, little things you can do to prepare yourself before you even consider looking at your first home or refinancing. So I guarantee it's going to save you thousands of dollars out of pocket and tens of thousands of dollars over the life of the loan. It's going to cost you absolutely nothing. We're just going to pass that advice on to you. I have many years in the real estate industry, the mortgage industry, and the credit industry. I'm going to pass all my tricks on to you so you get the very best deal. You have all the buying power you need to get yourself a very good loan. A home is such an important investment, not only a place to live, your bank account, your retirement, funds for college, funds of emergency. It's important you do it right. To be honest with you, most people do it incorrect. They get excited, they're buying a home, and they forget about the important details, and they get themselves in trouble. So we're going to talk about that in great detail. Loan modification. Well, good subject. If you don't know any, if you don't need one yourself, you might know somebody. You might have a family or a dear friend that might need a loan modification. The question is does one qualify? How does one qualify? We'll talk about that. We're going to talk about, do you need to go to an attorney or a loan modification company? Is it something you could do yourself? What's the latest news on loan modification? It's a quickly moving industry. We're going to talk about that in great detail so you're comfortable. Now, those are just a few of the topics we're going to be talking about. There's so much we could talk about when it comes to your personal finances, and we're going to drill into it. And you're going to have a friend out there, because you know what? You can't rely on anybody except yourself, and people want to give you some good advice, and that's our good job, to give you some advice, get you on the right track. We're all going to entertain each other in regards to giving information and talking about it and expressing our opinions and discussing things back and forth. So we want you to be involved, and we're making it easy as possible for you. You could Twitter us at AskMarsh. You could email us at askmarsh@marshrobert.com. Visit our website. We have blogs. Participate in the blogs. But get involved. Let's put this whole group together of people talking about this and discussing these important issues, because the world tomorrow has a lot of unknowns. But I'll tell you one thing. Your financial position is vital. So let's talk about that and work through it. I'm Richard Van Dyke with Marsh Robert Group, marshrobert.com.